now for some satellites. It's Christmas Eve or New Year's Eve, I think, whatever. Takeoff is permitted. We've got 15 satellites showing here. Look on the top here, look, 15 satellites. That's good. So let's get the bird up. Here we go. Take off. Right, so the bird's up. Let's put it onto a film, video, and start record. So it should now be recording. I'll point the gimbal down a little bit, and you can see how it's showing strap. So we'll lean back a little bit and let her go up a bit higher, a bit forward. There she goes forward, and higher up. There she's going now, right up. I'll just put the gimbal down a little bit more. And see, keep your eye on the drone. You have to fly with it in sight. So that's what I'm doing now, flying with it in sight. But well, my thumb starts twitching sometimes. I like it going left a bit there. Look at that biker. That's gone into it now, I haven't seen it now. Where's it gone now? Where are you? Oh, there you are. So, I believe now if you can turn it round, I'm flying it right down, we'll go forward, gimbal down a bit more. And you can see the old A1, it looks busy. Losing a bit of satellite there, so we'll turn around a bit this way. That's it, now we'll bring it round a bit that way. And we'll continue on around here. Look at the watering field there, bloody hell. So let's walk over there, shall we? Looks a bit grim, water. No motorbike riding, I'm afraid. Losing a bit of satellite there, so we'll come round again a bit. That's it now, should be flying straight now. Flying straight across. Drop it down just a little bit. We're at 97 feet. 900 feet rather. 155 feet. Well, I'm looking at the wrong bit, aren't I? Silly bugger. Right, I'll bring that across there now. See how far we can get up the road a little bit here. Following them cars nicely. Bring the dingle down a bit more. Now if we do a swoop over there, there's a new bungalows that you're looking at, look. Quite, they're coming on a lot them now, aren't they? They've really come on a lot them. Yeah, losing a bit of satellite power there. So we'll bring it back round. Bring it back round. Go forward. Go forward now. Not that far away from me now. Bring it down again. Forward. Moving across. Bring the gimbal up just slightly. We'll go down the avenue here. Just drop the craft down just slightly. Yeah. See if our landscapes are to bed. That lad will make it patio next to Dougie's, look. See if they made a good job on it. And let's turn it round here. Oh, what's going off around there? Not a lot. And bring it back round. Not a lot happening at all. Very quiet. Let's have a look over our landscape, see what he's on with. Keeps telling me to have a look. I'm not being nosy, he keeps telling me to have a look. So let's have a look. Is it landscapes? That's landscapes, isn't it, that one? I think it is. I think that's landscapes. Is that landscapes? I don't know which is whose. Whose is whose here? It's a bit cold. I think I'm coming in. I think I've had enough. Just run back here a bit. I think I'm coming in now. Yeah, we're getting less satellites here, so... Right, we'll bring the bird home now. So here we go, return to base. There you can see the base, the yellow marker. There she comes. Coming back to base.